So guys, right now I'm outside Croma and I'm gonna go inside and show you something unique right for you. आपकी requirements के लिए अंदर चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या कुछ है हमारे पास में right inside this Croma store. Come on. So guys, I'll tell you the real reason I'm inside this Croma store. Basically, मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे आपकी सारी problems को ठीक करने के लिए. And the biggest problem that you might have right now is to pick the perfect laptop, you know, जो आपकी सारी requirements को पूरा कर दे. मतलब आपको portability भी चाहिए, आपको thin and light form factor भी चाहिए, आपको performance भी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे I've got some amazing options, you know, powered by the latest Intel technologies. और आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि कौन सा लैपटॉप आपके स्कूल वाले काम के लिए, कॉलेज वाले काम के लिए, प्रोफेशनल काम के लिए, क्रिएटर लाइफस्टाइल के लिए, मतलब सब तरीके से आपकी सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरा करने वाला है. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गौरव, आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Guys, I'm sure आपकी मेमोरी होगी बचपन में, you know, while growing up, seeing a computer with a sticker which said Intel inside. हमको पता था उस टाइम पे कि मतलब yeah, this means this is an amazing PC. But now fast forward, things are a bit different. At times you would see laptops जहाँ पे अलग से स्टिकर लगा होता है Evo का. एंड आपके दिमाग में आता होगा ना, व्हाट इज दिस ईवो यार, इसका मतलब क्या है? एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू, दिस इज अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड, बिकॉज इंटेल जो है ना वो सर्टिफाई करता है सर्टेन लैपटॉप्स को. दे हैव सम यूनिक फीचर्स जो शायद आपको नॉर्मल लैपटॉप्स में नहीं मिलते हैं. सो लेट्स गो सी अप क्लोज कि आखिर जो स्पेशल फीचर्स हैं ये कौन से हैं. So guys, speaking of Intel Evo, right now what we have is the 4th edition of Intel Evo, you know, which is running on top of Intel's 13th gen processors. और यहाँ पे the kind of requirements that, you know, Intel has put up, काफी interesting. And my personal favorite is kind of the inclusion of Intel Unison. मतलब it becomes very easy for you to kind of share files, to share photos, to, you know, like reply to messages, to even make phone calls. ये सारे काम आप कर सकते हैं. मजे की बात, This is cross platform compatible, meaning कि अगर आपके पास में एक iPhone है या Android फोन है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एवरीथिंग इज कंपैटिबल. और आपको आपके लैपटॉप पे एक कंप्लीट ऑप्शन मिलता है टू कंट्रोल बेसिकली योर स्मार्टफोन. ये सारे काम हो जाते हैं राइट विद द पावर ऑफ इंटेल यूनिजन. Guys, next what we have is intelligent collaboration. So now with the power of Intel Evo, आपको पता है कि जो आपको लैपटॉप मिल रहा है ना with this certification, it's completely capable to take care of all your needs. For example, यहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं with the power of AI to kind of give you a clearer audio या फिर background का एक अच्छा सा blur just to, you know, kind of prevent all the mess from showing up. ये सारे options आपको मिल जाते हैं. At the same time, Intel Evo के साथ में you can run in everything super smoothly without any lag, without any issues. और मजे की बात, now with the Intel's, you know, Wi-Fi 6E, आपको पता है कि even the connectivity is taken care of. Everything will be running super smooth. Guys, you know what? मैंने इसको यहाँ से क्यों निकाला है? See, the simple reason is I'm talking about laptops. They are meant to be carried around. मतलब आप इनको एक जगह पे रख के यूज कर सकते हैं on a desk, but ideally the situation is कि आप इनको, you know, on the go यूज करते हैं, and that's where we get enhanced performance, the enhanced productivity while you are on the go. For example, ये लैपटॉप था, the moment I open it up, the instant wake in less than 1 second. मतलब there are certain criteria in terms of battery and performance जो especially Intel Evo laptops को मिलते हैं. यहाँ पे these laptops are capable of running at times 25 tasks, you know, continuously in parallel. एक साथ. You are getting an all-day battery life, even fast charging, just because ये laptop is not a normal one. It is, you know, with this sticker if you can see here. साथ में we have options like, for example, the backlit keyboard, the precision trackpad, the passwordless login, you know, with the power of the Intel Xe graphics. हम यहाँ पे AAA titles को रन कर सकते हैं इतने अच्छे फॉर्म फैक्टर में. तो मतलब I think everything combined, अब तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा with, you know, various examples that how important this sticker right here is. Guys, अभी let's focus on the latest Intel's 13th gen processors, and यहाँ पे we have various options, starting from the U series which is for the ultra portable systems, and desktop में हमारे पास में HX lineup भी होता है, and something is common across the entire lineup is the all new Raptor Lake architecture. And यहाँ पे the way these processors are designed, I think one thing is always as a default, which is कि आपका जो experience है while computing should be right on top. For example, we have the Intel's Thread Director, और यहाँ पे ये क्या करता है, because these cores are divided into two different sections, P cores and E cores, wherein P stands for performance, E से मतलब है efficient. तो depending on कि आप क्या task कर रहे हैं, if you're just casually browsing the web या working on some basic documents, तो यहाँ पे it's using the efficient cores. लेकिन at the same time अगर आप कुछ एक high end काम कर रहे हैं, if you're using any photo video editing softwares, let's say, तो वहाँ पे the performance cores kick in. तो आपको एक अच्छा balance मिलता है in terms of performance and efficiency just because we got the Thread Director. So guys, to begin with, I'll tell you my personal favorite pick, and I mean this is the new Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i. अब नाम में ही स्लिम है, so it's obvious that this laptop is actually very thin and light. I mean, this is the best blend of performance and portability. मतलब इसकी जो thickness है, it's just 14.9 mm, and यहाँ पे the weight is just 1.39 kilograms. The design is quite minimal, looks very sleek, at the same time gives you all the power packed inside, because यहाँ पे what we have is Intel's latest 13th gen processor, Evo certified laptop है ही. We have a fantastic OLED display on this laptop. This is measuring 14 inches. What we have is a Dolby Vision panel. I mean, right now what we have is a full HD model. Although यहाँ पे you can go up to a 2.8K 120 Hz display. I mean, depending on your needs, we even have an option with touch screen. So all in all, the display experience on this Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i, and okay, yoga का मतलब क्यों? Because this can do a few yoga moves, because ये एकदम flat चला जाता है. My personal favorite feature, यहाँ पे you have this privacy shutter. तो आपको पता है कि आपका कैमरा अगर आपने बंद किया है, so it is completely black, कोई आपको देख नहीं सकता है. At the same time, यहाँ पे what we have is Lenovo का AI Engine Plus, जहाँ पे it smartly adapts to your needs. आप किस तरीके से लैपटॉप में क्या काम कर रहे हैं, it will give you the right amount of power and the balance of efficiency. Now guys, at last, speaking of the most important point, which is the price, I'm glad to tell you कि यहाँ पे the starting price what we have is 79,990 rupees. We have got multiple models. You can go up to Intel's 13th gen Core i7-1360P processor. You get Windows 11 out of the box, powered by the Intel's Iris Xe graphics, starting at 79,990. Then what I'm enjoying something at Chroma is the kind of variety जो मेरे को एक साथ एक जगह पे मिल रही है for like me to tell you कि अलग-अलग laptops कौन से हैं. And the next one what I have is this. Now this is the laptop. इसका नाम ही है HP Envy X360. You have this fantastic design. आप चाहो तो इसको normal laptop की तरह use कर सकते हो. If you want, you can use it like in a tent mode. या फिर अगर आपको चाहिए tablet का मजा, तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा इस type के form factor के साथ में. And यहाँ पे we have multiple options of display and storage to choose from. Basis of your requirements, you can make your pick. साथ में again we have the latest Intel's 13th gen processors, Evo certified ये laptop है. I mean, everything which is nice about the 13th gen processor and Evo, वो आपको इस form factor में मिल जाती है, to kind of give you the right balance between, I would say, a nice look and a portability. साथ में, if I tell you, the display is really good because what we have is a touchscreen panel. यहाँ पे the touch response is good. At the same time, it supports peak brightness of up to 500 nits. In fact, we have got all connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4. साथ में we have fast charging as well. मतलब केवल 30 मिनट्स में ये लैपटॉप 0 to 50% चार्ज हो जाता है. तो मतलब मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस, मल्टीपल मॉडल्स, एंड द प्राइसिंग फॉर दिस HP Envy X360 starts from 84,990 rupees. Guys, my next pick is this, the Asus VivoBook S15 OLED. Now see, as the name suggests, हमारे पास में what we have here is an amazing immersive 15.6 inch OLED screen and this is the laptop जो शायद बहुत सारे students को attract करने वाला है, काफी creators को attract करने वाला है. At times what you want is a bigger screen, what you want is an amazing display. तो ये इस laptop में मिलता है, of course supporting Intel Evo. So see, the best part about Evo I would say is that some things are kind of default. They are by default taken care of. तो सारे features हमको इस laptop में मिलने वाले हैं. I mean you can go up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of SSD. At the same time अगर हम बात करते हैं, in fact even the weight and kind of the design, it is one of kind of the lightest and slimmest laptop in this price bracket. And guys, speaking of price, यहाँ पे the starting price for this Asus VivoBook S15 OLED is 69,990 rupees. So guys, in the end of compilation, I mean the last one, but definitely not the least, what I have is Samsung's all-new Galaxy Book 3 Pro. At times, it's difficult to believe कि इतने sleek और इतने light form factor में हमें एक laptop मिल सकता है क्या? And the laptop what we have is this. It has great screen. I mean Samsung's dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, and Samsung is known for its displays. So यहाँ पे the kind of experience you're going to get is fantastic. At the same time, the beauty is we're getting all the ports. मतलब from a full-sized HDMI port, वहाँ पे हमारे पास में Thunderbolt 4 ports भी हैं, USB-A port भी है, memory card भी लगा सकते हो, headphone jack भी है. I mean everything in this kind of form factor. अगर आपको एक sleek, एक stylish laptop चाहिए तो I think this becomes the choice. And choice बनने का एक और reason ये है कि as with the other offerings जो मैंने आपको बताई, this is also Intel Evo certified. The best part is what we have here. It's a quad speaker system which is tuned by AKG. AKG, if you don't know, is owned by Harman, and Harman, if you don't know, is owned by Samsung. So that's the kind of advantage you're getting in this Samsung's Galaxy Book 3 Pro. I mean, great screen, great audio performance, sleek design, everything from a starting price of 1,31,990 rupees. Guys, to sum it all, मतलब मैंने आपको इतने सारे laptops के बारे में बता दिया है, from Lenovo to HP, from Asus to Samsung, and in fact हमने सीखा about the Intel's Evo platform. And मतलब these laptops they actually go through thousands of real life tests just to make sure कि आपको features मिले, like let's say Intel Unison, intelligent collaboration, all-day battery life, great performance, like much more in a package. अगर आपको आपके लैपटॉप में सब कुछ चाहिए, so need to look for this Intel Evo sticker. This kind of guarantees everything in one place. Guys, that's not all. Actually, I must tell you some amazing offers running in right now. अगर आप आते हैं Chroma store पे, and if you are looking for an Intel Evo certified laptop, you can get up to 24 months no cost EMI. आपको मिलने वाला है up to 10,000 rupees का cashback, and not just that, up to 10,000 rupees का exchange bonus भी. Come explore so that you can get all the amazing performance with these new latest innovations under one roof. So guys, I'm sure कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. आपको सारी बातें मैंने बता दी हैं. अगर आपको कोई वाला सुझाव हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना, शेयर करना मत भूलना, नीचे कमेंट करना मत भूलना. मैं आपसे मिलता हूं सीधा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.